is Talakan Bukidnon. Good evening. Okay, let me adjust the mic for you. There we go. Okay. We are just gonna fix our audio. I know, that's the beauty of a live show, especially the beauty of a pageant, which is all the beauties for a cause. Hello.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Ron.
Good evening. Okay. Were you expecting this moment, to happen?
Yeah, actually, there are 6 of us joining from Bukidnon, and this is a representation of how, because we are agriculture-centered province, and this is our representation that we chose to be with the Miss Philippines because this is a good platform and only pageant that really advocates for something, and that is for the own good, a shared responsibility, which is the goodness for our environment. So I am so grateful to be part of your top 5.
And we are so happy you're part of this great legacy. Okay, Talakan Bukidnon, here is the final question. How would you utilize the platform of Miss Philippines Earth to make a positive impact in the community?
As we celebrate our silver lining anniversary or the 25th year of Miss Philippines Earth, we have said that we have been committed to making our environment a good one. And each of the ladies here shared a same responsibility and a goal, which is to protect our Mother Earth. Despite different advocacies and different stands, we are here as queens not only for glitz and glamour, but of course as inspiration to everyone, especially to the youth, that Miss Philippines Earth pageant is not only for beauty, but for a cause, because we are eco warriors. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Talakan Bukidnon. Not just queens, but eco warriors. I love that line. Okay, up next, let's have Antipolo City. And that part goes wild. Okay, good evening, Antipolo City.
Good evening, Sir Robbie.
Okay, are you ready to answer that final question that will determine?
I am ready.
More than ready. Okay, let's get on with the fun question for Antipolo City. The question is, how would you utilize the platform of Miss Philippines Earth to make a positive impact in the community?
Miss Philippines Earth have been celebrating 25 years of uplifting women. And as a queen, I wish to continue the legacy. It's not just about arriving, it's about continuing what's already been done. And I aspire to be the next Miss Earth tonight, to not just wear the crown, to shine, but to uplift the community together with me. Thank you.
Thank you, Antipolo City. Actually, she is right. She is a queen already. They are all queens. It's just a matter of, what the title is. And hopefully that will propel her to the top. Thank you, Antipolo City. Up next, let's have Bacoor City. Bacoor City, turning this to a rally.
Good evening to you, Robbie.
Good evening, Bacoor City. Are you ready to answer the question?
Yes, I'm very much ready. I hope the Earth is ready too.
Big challenge. I love challenges. Okay, deep breaths. And we shall go with the question. And it goes something like this. How would you utilize the platform of Miss Philippines Earth to make a positive impact in the community?
For 25 years, Miss Philippines Earth has been at the forefront of environmentalism. If I am to become a queen of Miss Philippines Earth organization, I would like to evoke eco-consciousness to the youth, make smart innovations and inclusive investments in the Philippines for us to be able to move forward. Because I'd like to prove that we are not just women of the earth, we are also women of the future. Thank you.
Judges, again I say this, good luck. Up next, we're going to be having a Filipino community of Tallahassee, Florida. Okay, good evening. Alright. I just want to ask out of curiosity, what was the music that you were listening to?
It was heavy metal.
Oh wow.
Not my forte, but it was pretty great.
Okay, we did have purposely, in the spirit of fairness, but hopefully you can hear us right now.
Yes.
And we are so ready to hear your answer. Okay? Tallahassee, your question is this. How would you utilize the platform of Miss Philippines Earth to make a positive impact in the community?
Thank you so much for your question. I would use my platform as Miss Philippines Earth 2025 to inspire, to encourage those to not just act on how to become more eco-friendly, more sustainable, but to do that in action. And
Thank you so much for in action. Thank you. We will also support the USA. We'll be seeing more of our ladies later on. But to cap off this final Q&A, let's have La Paz Leyte. Okay. I have to apologize, La Paz Leyte, because just like what Tallahassee said, isn't the same music? Was that heavy metal that you were listening to?
It was actually K-pop.
K-pop.
I was
Okay.
dancing there.
Oh, so you got different genres. But are you okay right now?
Yes, okay.
Okay, let's stick with the jab and have your final Q&A. Your question is, how will you utilize the platform of Miss Philippines Earth to make a positive impact in the community?
For the past 25 years, the Miss Philippines Earth organization has been advocating for our planet. And as I stand here as a delegate, we have been given a platform to raise awareness and fight for the causes that we believe in. But as I stand here, I'd like to give this message of hope that we still have time to preserve and protect our Mother Earth. Let us remember to encourage our government, to involve our communities, and be responsible individuals. Because if we work hand in hand, anything impossible can be made possible.